We know that the prevalence of diabetes is on the increase worldwide, and we also know that the complications associated with diabetes can be really quite devastating for the individuals and their families. If we can identify the complications earlier, then we've got a chance of reducing the deterioration of those complications. So we're working with Public Health Wales alongside the Diabetes Eye Screening Service to introduce screening for diabetic foot disease. So that's circulation to the foot and sensation of the foot, but also taking that opportunity to screen for other cardiovascular diseases such as atrial fibrillation and blood pressure. But we're also looking at urine and the leaking of proteins into urine, which is the start of kidney disease, also a complication related to diabetes. What we're trying to achieve by this initiative is to not only educate patients or help them understand their diabetes and the sorts of things they can do to support their diabetic health, but also to provide a more patient-centred approach to their surveillance, so providing 4 or 5 different diabetes surveillance within one appointment. Through these interventions, we hope that this will help support those with diabetes understand their diabetes more, understand the importance of attending screening or surveillance appointments, and how they can impact on the prevention of the deterioration of their diabetes.